Welcome to our 2020 vision board magic. I get so excited about vision boards because I know truly and deeply within my heart that had it not been for vision boarding and the special little magical way that I do it, which is the soul coaching collage, I could not be 10 years later living my dream as a healer, a soul coach, and a facilitator of change. Over the last 10 years, I have worked deeply with the energy of manifesting, magnetism, and vision boards to literally create the life of my dreams in a very woo woo space where many, sadly, I see fail and have to go back to other jobs. Now, this doesn't make me special. This doesn't make me unique, though actually we're all of these, and so are you. What it makes me is somebody that practices and walks my talk. From the moment I did vision boarding as a part of the soul coaching, I knew deeply inside of me that there was this powerful mechanism that was rewiring my brain at the same time. It was creating this new radio station, this new story, because our unconscious mind is so superpowered. It runs at 40 million bits per second, as opposed to our conscious mind that is 40 bits per second. So if you're someone sitting there saying, yeah, vision board, schmick board, or anything like that, maybe you've set goals that fail. Guess what? Majority of people do, because they set these away goals and then they try and force and push themselves to make change, yet fear fears change. So if your vision board, if your goals, if your intentions are taking you to the next level of expansion, sabotage, doubt, fear, everything is going to become your friend. So this is why I get so excited to spend a whole day with people creating your dreams, but this year in particular, creating the dreams for the decade that's coming. And I'm going to be inviting everybody that comes to start thinking about what do you want to see in the world and humanity as well as within your own life. So how can we all come together and superpower becoming the change in the world that we desire to see? If you're a yearly renewal for the Vision Board workshops, yay! I am so grateful to have you a part of this. Every time you all show up, it brings me so much joy. If you're brand new, then welcome. I am known as the Queen of Manifestation. And part of this is because I really set those clear intentions, but every single day take aligned daily action. I am going to be giving you all the tips, the tricks, the tools that you desire, not only to create this beautiful vision board, but to meet an awesome, epic, and amazing community of people that want to bring it to life with you and support you every step of the way. I, over the last 10 years, have had so much magic from book deals, from apartments in New York, from business class travel. All of this has been manifested through vision boards. I have invited in new communities in places where I've moved. What else have I done? I get so excited because sometimes I forget that there's so much magic and miracles. But one of the greatest gifts when we do this together is you determining how do you desire to feel day to day, and how do we then bring this into form as well. I have so much to share about this, but I want to keep this video short and sweet just to invite you to take the first step, to prioritize yourself in a world that is calling for your attention the whole time, to know that you matter, your place on this earth matters, your choices, your decisions, your thoughts, your feelings, all of this is creating the reality that you have. So let us step into your brand new desired reality for 2020. We're going to design it together. We're going to superpower you spiritually, emotionally, mentally, and physically in your life to upgrade, up-level your powers of manifestation and magnetism so that you become a magnet to all that it is that you desire by us removing all the doubts and the fears of this next level of expansion. If you have no idea what a vision board is or you have any questions, please reach out. I look forward to spending the day with you and just opening you up to all that I have felt and experienced through the magic of vision boards and spending time together with amazing humans. Over and out.